Bible say Nyankopon busa Ezekiel say enti non pay be say nyankwan bi mana o say ewurade wona woni adie biara aye den wo abrabom a enti egu fi say that's woni ho biom no that's why be say be mu biom en non pay biara enho akokwa wo abrabom no Nyankopon di mu nti enam ne mframa esa ba ho biom. I'll pay me watching my call about the 93.3 FM. So and there have been another 12 March 2024, and of course it is exactly 41 minutes after 10. That's nice to say you're some of my Ghana, you're some Africa, and of course this is what we do. And today be more kwaba. Esa Emma watching at the band 93.3 FM. So Juma was a good out here. Your friend me Jenny me champion Kobena Boateng. Over to me, a friend me Kobena Kosti. Over to me to a friend my Brante part the perfect gentleman. And now over to me a friend me Jabros man. Many Emmanuel Jumo DJ Shabu and Alfonso Kobike. And I can't boom this wonderful show, Ebrel. Maybe I will be an the twat. Over to me, I join the show no Facebook. Through Facebook, Ahenkan 93.3 FM. If I join the coins, so make sure so share video, no like it now. Or commenting so near day. And maybe I'll pass sending me SMS. The patch of 0533-898-915 0533-898-915. And a daily dose of motivation, said Bebro. And a benada. Did you know segment in so the Bebro and the day. Find Jack here and come out. Wow, the Casa Fidiato 93.3 FM. Let's start up and me patch on people to say. Let's start Chumesi. I'll pay good morning. Here no fashion. I send the phone in ending back up and Salum the Gambia. Mr. William Beck. And open checkers in come out. friends who come Bra Michael. And come Mama Hannah. Ma Vida, good morning. Anaya come for Daisy. Natural Beauty Salomon and Opemi Chamongina. Friends in Chakasia and come Parties Golden Scissors. I said that Beauty Salon and come Benish and come Christy Ishina Babs and I draw Munina more level 360. Good morning. Fine Jackasy and so and comma Emmanuel Mauga. Dependable Beauty Salon. Marsha Beauty Salon. Charities Fashion. DJ Lion and our friends, you know. Jaji Wakamani Junction. Dr. Kwame Taylor. On the Master Sari. Mr. David Dagadu. Amos Apia Pierrot Bra Kwame Kasiebo Jerry Richmond Ano Pemunya want to say and Chaya Crash as in Bebro Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera watch Madam Government Hospital and our friends went come Philippa. Right, so 45 minutes after 10 Wasugusa uti Ahenkan 93.3 of FM. What the taxi move, what the trotro move office. Maybe I will be at in Chakasiebo echo Eddie Amount.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
They were near some mini pants and Tonoma. My try our voice and then best of ever. Meaning key, I mean, use you. Me use air finance, use day. Anyways, was a good out in 93.3 of near it will be a Benyan Kwan Brabo Kazime. Near it will be a Benyan Kwan Brabo. About your young grandchild, bro. I hear 93.3 of and they have been at that Tuesday morning. And yet, then I was so swabba. Yet, then I was saying no more TV summer. Yet, then I was saying no more to me cost a year from now. And there's a young portion when you were bravo. Right, so you go straight to the daily dose of motivations. You call your crash some so now fe at what you media na can also at the amount. Right, so Color Studios and the good some broadry at Daroma and I did your crash some of the road. But your Color Studios are wire at Chim or down. It's your account with Liberty Transport where Upseats cannot pharmacy. Do a while be who are bronzino. Now, who are bronzina, me pa job bronzina se wa. Oh, and a Color Studios, and this over say ucha a year infoning mature picture. Oh, yeah, your fro, oh, your engagement, oh, your birthday. In fact, idea we be here, picture, not so be here for you know. Wadaroma, now do we need Akutrim or Color Studios and digital embroidery. Pacho Chroma no there. And you will be a bonabasso and will be a ginatum. A bano and tadie, yam printed, your foul picture and to a tadie, young true with D and go with Chenny, young true with Dingo at tadie, in designing a tadie and mamma, where your headdresser for the palm for a kukubi. Organizations be what say a tadie papa corporate institutions open and tadie the mamu staffs the show say oko a Color Studios and digital embroidery obey manama come up and pay for said near any who any di ho dance here and na they association so and I can want some na ebo hu do and you know and so share yenga you who is yenga. The show Color Studios, Achimodan Kroma was sound on there. You do yourself. Patrol Liberty Transport. Friend was 0245276638. 0245276638. The Patrol connections is here. Now, onion tad you come upon for mouth. Now, I am quite on crash out 7 so. A daily dose of motivation is our motivational message for today. What do you say, Bufu? And yeah, a Bufu Essayadiopa, a Bufu Emmanuel Air Bazaar, a Bufu and tea. Obi Dabrum Sisea and yeah, a Bufu and tea, and your mabby shadan coying from Moby. It's an pay a daily dose of motivation and crash out 7 days. Say, when you are angry, be silent. When you are angry, be silent. Say, Ubufua, the best repan, say, Ubayedin. Say, Ubufua, the best repan, say, on Casabibre. Ubufua, the best say, Ubekawan or two, Umbiwano. Because or say a will buffoon or how a will buffoon or woo a will buffoon a money a will buffoon and it's a buffoon not where who send you on the cowan or duma. I know my Pia me mention I said, boss, a big bit to me at all. Obi bufu ye wenti mi anhye na bufu so and then on some woman. Buffy went to me and control the temper. Went to me and control a command. Buffy went to me and cannon one doom. And then we know Cassay. What's a free Jamus say? Or being so a buffonti. Why yet be a nuno? Mesrel. Say Ubufu Akawanutum. When you are angry, be silent. When you are angry, be silent. Say Ubufu aya muawano. You won't go for me how me at a 4 pounds. You watch a 4 pounds was as is. Why not be fast or be Joe, come fast or be beyond what Casa now will be one on obey your pan. When you sound so akuma, and you pass a step to me so sons and phones are. But any dear quinzo, or that chinty. Baby, I'll pass out that badge home. Yeah, everything I do after before watch your home. I must sabi. Be and funny reggae and be so high life. Be funny qua some will be and fun potato. Now, be one and now won't take action be not later. Oh no. And to be so Ubufua, I come on to. I did just funny the be. One more around, baby. One more can't throttle so. One more can't summon him at torso. One more young man who do be at the torso. Send me out be one okay. Rebecca Sakake, Ubay Bibi Kake. Because oh, now you grass say not yet. Oh, now you grass, some bunhuza. Oh, now you grass say what is it? Saffron one woman. And your quan I drink so bad or the best say one answer can be no be one on over. Onangasa na monangasa eni muguasi akwaba. Onamo nangasa no onangasa de papa bia ni ho. You sabi se oni ni pasa e de face na obi wa no pe. Eni muguasi ni bi ato. Ono an ni maguasi no nam ho no. Ono asabi o sheda anya obi asa. Enti ono no se ni maguasi o se de mbe no de enfa no ho. Enti o sheda target wa asabi o. Of him say, of him say, Pecasano. Now, what your Hannah Churchill? A beer will say, Bufua, come on to Bufua. Come on to Napo baby try. Now, Uncle Freddy Guassier, or how we are, and Fambra. 93.3 of this is our motivational message this morning. About your try on Waba. We are going for a quick breather. Yakoba. We are still live here 93.3 of FM. We're going to join this show live on Facebook. Ahenkan 93.3 on Facebook. You can also send us a text on 0533-898-915. 0533-898-915. They try on home. Abasisia Yaba. Na ya told me this summer. Yabasisia.
So Famuko, na yaru be to muntum kura. Yesu bebrebe, ya besim we yana.
Bra kwesi, me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni krumo. Ko ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare go for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira Ava one herbal mixture study. Malaria slow no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobi, omodoso nyana o drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumienu. Oya malaria test. Na say positive a. We dura ne Ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimodan open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenya bi so ato a 14 drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim Swedoso. Bosome Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mixture. Peking crime. FDA. Aji ejodi enkratoya tu.
Me pa chow ehina kukrantu mika ejina. Me kwape kwanya ma me ba wo Bright Senior High School.
Ayo madam metro na ye de ho ansna me ba ko school.
Oh fine. Yes wo mo ya de say.
Enya grow me ba no JHS results ba na nya kura. Oh school choose your kwara mpaso mo fa no. Ai na Bright Senior High School me train ka me de ne ko na nguma.
Na wo mo ya courses ben.
Bright Senior High School all secondary courses. General arts, business, home economics, visual arts, general science, agric science, secretarial and all technical courses. Building and construction, carpentry and joinery, electrical engineering, automobile engineering, draftsmanship, and all vocational courses including driving. Bright Remedial School Suho, Wabafelu baby pennas out in a bar on Felibio, and you want Bright Diploma College, and also all diploma programs. Nina Awa Kukrantumi at Chim Eastern Region, forms our all regional post offices and the radio stations Pimu Frey 024 207 1185 and then 0277 147727.
Great Brace.
We surpass all.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric somewhere who by no, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't know what dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina etimi banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buy every home. And no woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono and Kratway FDA Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na de fia e hwampao.
Ha, eya ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA Binding and Co Limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan sen kwada enyoma ni ate se wan. Eya parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na ade ba de na ahura poto bi de isi.
Eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina so ate se wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eya JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o ma sesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema a wahoro won sai uhu ana. Ai enu anso na me de wohoro nchaasi mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Binding wo mo nioma no. Ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo pani do so po matu a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
Me dofo na nso mo din ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja me dru ho sesi a.
Hey, Efia, me watch papa.
Bra, nansen yade a me yade ye. Enya odunfo bi na kire me kumi herbal tea. Ankasa brei adibone.
Ado me na aka ho asem ya na.
Ebia.
Kumi herbal tea de eboa ema enkwamo woni paduam gyan na so yie. Na senya hoden akutie nyarwa hodo a ewo ni paduam. Eye tea bag anopa bia oyi ba ko de tun so hie mu a minute be se du ekosi dunum entem no na wanom. Enwure nso saa bra wode de awi a wo koda. Enipa do pi ananom kumi herbal tea ni bi a wodi ho adanse. Oha hodo bi e woni paduam no. Kumi herbal tea ebe afi ho ama. Hyano nso se oba pemfo obi o makoda nufo ana akoda woni mfrinhia edude adre wontimi enum bi. Ubenya kumi herbal tea ebi ato e we bia woton no aduro ahodo. Kumi Herbal Tea Sumo Herbal Center ensano adwuma. Dr. Paul Kumi Minta edaso ya no. Obetimi afre no ewo 0248 716402 0248 716402 and 0503 785656 0503 785656. Kumi Herbal Tea ana eye immune system support. FDA aje edwedie nkratwe atum. Yes.
Hi, your friend me foreman. Mejuma sweni inti obia pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shemensa. Mesha se wusika enko waste inti me tomenyo menyi na free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Enti sa wupe cement, gasem, diamond ana se simaf. Ningina ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Open nadwa all inches iron rods 16mm to quarter rods POP plaster balls kenoff papa pan fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empom, opa butchery paint, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa Cheng, our Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editioning, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
I didn't realize her. Oh, Mr. Q, family be white. My wife do a good many more. Mr. Q, they say, take it easy. As a word for the how can I take it easy? Ojam, Nibusa, a man saying, and Mukunum, Atoka, my woman. Nema Kotaka, and Monogam, after Nipetimechi, ever show. Woman, if Robana, and yet you hear me, compare me, dream, Mr. Q, be banum, let me who's a your bar. Now, man, putting no before your root, a true dear here, and one say, why am you said you sure to what was the call? Ojam, we don't know you. Is that a petrapa? Naso Banos, what you come? How? Woman, you said the Padina, and say, when I do what the house of fire would. Unyashio, Kunlun Ghana Limited at Aroma. What did Mr. Q? Abbey, I didn't know what's out of and commodity woman. What did I say? Jibiconum, a sir, wako Heba, chemical, and a pharmacy. Do also and wako Kunlun Ghana Limited.
Our down call LB Amwafu, the Netrumesi, Kennedy Drug Store, Well Green Pharmacy. Mama Doris was sent for Sue, Francis Mesa was sent for Sue, Frank and Daughter Pharmacy were Esukuba and Dobin Brakwa, unable to afford Kulumpe for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Thank you, because you must say, I like that.
FD Ashusha Sa Ejedi Enkrato Imu Aja to Muse Eye.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there. This is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabana Cost. What?
Siamunu neye abro, baby mudata kumebiso. Sioni nebo, unin top and from mede. The crazy mishia obey, obey some tom so. Nana who offense to the century. Akona to boko. With your warriors to nenim, is a junior nimunda wayambon. The best is swama samuavo. Ide sorry bese. Funtum retu den chambre tu. Teddy a fui bebum. I don't talk about the every see down. Not a bay a man tiasia be.
You can tell to say I'm new though. You teach away in your more. We are beside you, our ham you.
Sheminam penny and medi babum. Bay a modaso. I don't come on here, I don't them. I see you, Miss Rose, so I'm a man sign. Bay a modaso. I see you come on here, I was your them. Midday, shall me break away. What yetina? Menya usa udomi nkwadiye ya bese wana mefura awonya bapa mesha wasiyo basu koma wodi empam mama meka vise no do yeso iso die makoma beteso mide awofu atiti mu odontino eti oda sepa when if a boomy ben I met to us, you, Terry, we are medicine at the open me into or do my dream boy, Terry. I didn't you near my bush, eh?
You can attempt to say me new boo. Yet you should know we are more. We are beside you, our home, you.
May I mother so? Don't come on here, or don't them. If I see you, Miss Rose, so I'm a man. May I mother so? Don't come on here. Dinti mi bro. Seminyo, Jasie, Samachio, Ejo, Nyate Mufuano, True, Camio, Jasie. Sanaya, he's rising, Bobe Radi Kumbo, Mana Indian, Treasure, where you go. And call him Sad, Jesus, Bobe Wamana, Yana, batteries on Quanyo. Saba manana nimsi dia kwa nana bra bim na do kontonchi adichi yesaba just no baku kwecho damkwe nana bra nana bim do and I tell you bim as you miss your time and so show them now, no one seven year. Voltage, this is our solution. This is what show them cry. And they better off to say, yes, when you bring it out the way. This is what show them now, no one seven year. And the low by me, sit our solution. This is what show them cry. And they better off what I walk or dry. Then you need to so true. If you're open, me put you every day, every night. If you're a mefebia, or come and I'm on to what I walk or dry. Then you need to so true. If you're open, me put you every day, every night. If you're a mefebia, or come and I'm on to. I see you, my bony mobita. Swinging to see true, where to work.
Have a blessed day.
Never look at my maniaci. Until you and him. Oh, baby. No, baby. Yes, open a man's life. Yes, open a man's life. And yes, you. I saw just in the young sound for net, your young sound for Sia. It is a wow, Trimian. Pim, and I don't know.
Right, so 18 minutes after 11, 93.3 of Nobusia. Of course, we are still live on the radio. This is the mid-morning show. And this is my first time on, my first time live on TikTok, actually. You know, move to me, joining me, TikTok. This is my first time, though. So, Queen Amma Lampe, thank you for joining. And also, is it Yasa, right? Thank you for joining as well. Ya Rasta, thank you for joining. Right, so over to me, joining me, TikTok for searching for Kobina Kosti. The show is live on TikTok. And I'm a live mentioning at the 90 minutes after 11, 93.3 of a Juma no Wasugusa with your friend Kobina Kosti, a brand part the perfect gentleman. In case you just tune in for your very first time, This is how we run the show. Mondays through Fridays, 10 to 12 p.m. You can also send me a text on 0533-898-915. 0533-898-915. Ado. What's the name? Is it Ayanam, right? Thank you for joining us. Well, this is my first time. I mean, I have no experience on how this thing is run. Yes, I have no experience. I have no idea. But this is my first time I made some about live on TikTok. So, I mean, you guys should just do the necessary things. Yeah, yes, it starts being idea. Just let me know. Nathaniel, thank you for joining us. Well, our boy Danny, thank you for joining us. Well, also wait to me at joining me live on TikTok. Or go search it for Akan Kasiebo. But in the meantime, I am told that grass since you go say Jume. Now for Jumedina Canina so enfant was now the ultimate pop experience at the Biamican level 360 pop. Level 360 pop. Level 360 pop. The ultimate pop experience. Now, say over Chrome Hana say ope baby back while baby back while baby boy, no baby girl, better now, I'm be feeling, I'm be jumpa. Yeah, G&E a feeling. Nah, be a cost come upon their mind. Yeah, a level 360 pop. Now, level 360 pop says, who do birthday? And now, we engagements, open home, we are outdooring. Jumedia with Dibia. We hear baby Edino. A free. Maybe Joe Sika Simbi. Mr. Sobaba, a level 360 pop. Now, level 360 pop, our mantra Junction, CSC Junction is okay, and I will level 360 pop. I'll find you Adriani, a coso, our and the open noodles, open fried rice, open jollof rice, open plain rice, and now Omutuni Bunkuni Adina. We try to Mamma Patrol between us sort out. Over to me, I reach one hour 0540-535-777 0540-535-777 level 360 pop, the ultimate pop experience. And T Anasa no pay upe baby edidi. Upe baby a filibo, upe baby ama no metima kosu come upon the amount there. Baby, I may recommend the amount a level 360 pop. Yeah, wherever you are. Just make sure you say over far phone now for you free. Nah, you do chew and I see you do boo, you do a piano at the abrel or maybe I will be out. So once again, call us on 0540-535-7. Young call Jump Trading Enterprise. Now, Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mesa, and the open Cassia or Dano, and I said Chairman Mesa, and the open Cassia or a Jump Trading Enterprise. And Mr. Rose said, I don't pay UTME now, Opesa we sit dying. If you really want to construct a building, and I say, maybe a project, be a open cement, and a boy for, and I open quality cement, a patch of only children, Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mesa said, Pet cement, BT says CMAF cement, diamond cement, gasam cement, Afro so Nadwa who do a Upiano Oba, a Jump Trading Enterprise who be now your iron rolls, your POP, plaster balls, fiber, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood band wires, marine board, copper pan for fully, Niane boy airphone, Oba a Jump Trading Enterprise, Pacho Ubenebiato, the track wine away at Chimodan, a Kameni Junction, one Jaji and the Dean Shenimum, away a Kameni Junction. The Pacho Bombarding, now and then Mr. Manson, as a Chairman Manson, and D and Common. Now, on board year, Papa, and Timothy can catch us a project to be our person when it comes to building, maybe our way a contractor, open cement with the year projects now, no problem, open cement and if I've been with Champa, I was with me up by Juma Pandia, Michelle, and any Jump Trading Enterprise, POP, plaster balls, center panels, corner moldings, BBA, mepa jo oba obenye bi ato adesa Michelle ya wa kamani junction ne jaji e de nhwe ne mo frɛ wo 0208 123 872 0244566880 menua Albert Critical Tinker Nana Kwasi Crime I see you on TikTok Kumi Kasa menua Kumi Kasa apomu to say I see you on TikTok also wait me join the show live on TikTok Godson the Free Fire I see you as well let me check I'm gonna say this is my first time on TikTok, so I may confused be like that. So Dixon Kelly Chum, I see you as well. Abu Ibrahim, Mohima Ifia Adepa. I see. Then an Ifia. Okay. So as times goes on, so I think about 19 plus people are watching me on TikTok. Thank you so much. I'm very much grateful. Global School of Aviation Management. Global School of Aviation Management, a trainee students, a woman person that she be air hostess, flight attendant, or person tour guide, hotel manager, and as a receptionist. Yes, so at a woman person, woman century maybe. Global School of Aviation Management, a hospitality management, hospitality management, tourism and culture management, air freight ticketing and reservation, air passenger handling. Media and communications. Shannon Sumami said all courses are within 6 months for certificate awarded by ICM UK. And you know that you will pursue air hostess and as a flight attendant. The show school back over to me about school about to me ama when you swadi who abemo a Global School of Aviation Management. Departure requirement ni be a Sabia we SHS and as a SS na ukuta wayek in social and krataibi and as okuta diploma HND O and A level degree bia me pacho apenya eda ho de ma wait me Global School of Aviation Management and now for so near wo a Global Remedial College in so ewo ho and say we general art students, we business students, general science students, visual arts and as a home economic students what they can throw back and koya ma o pese wo sa throw biem me pacho school back obe wow na results let me course come upon na wetin that was so tertiary institution bi ano Global Remedial College they will come and say Kenten Chrono ye ben KNUST hostel facilities in so available and ti baby awo bi ano obetumi aba na anyoma course come upon them me pacho and yen din come 0595 847 184 and 0245 052 166 0533 41679 Global School of Aviation, the only life-changing institution. Now, from Pond Enterprise, they be a mechanic catcher or say Achim or Dam more. Achim or Dam more from Pond Enterprise. From Pond Enterprise, Achim or Dam more. And you know, shall pet provisions a whole do be at all. Maybe I will pay me no me patrol bomodin fura from Pond Enterprise, Jumura, or on all kinds of mackerels, a African queen, a Bapa mackerel, Lily mackerel, Nina, Ubenebi atoya from Pond Enterprise, all kinds of cooking oil, all kinds of tin tomatoes. So all kinds of perfume rice, local rice, and up sugar. Say a bag of sugar. That's Olunka. How much training be near Dina? Mepacho Ubenebi Ato Ewaye from Pond Enterprise. All kind of biscuits, toffees, next to product with say Milo, Nido, cowbell, Di Milo Munina. Ubenebi all kinds of detergents, and then so Ubenebi Ato Ewaye and Jumeura from Pond Enterprise. The show. One away cosmetic shop. So yesterday I was there. My catcher was Minkuasa, me spray asa, me bibi asa. So yesterday I went to Frimpong cosmetic shop to get myself Nkun Anna spray near day. At a very affordable price. at a very affordable price. From Pond Enterprise there. A beer say Okohonoma. See Kabia crowd be an Ubenya BB. TME pan. I am of for say we put out 200 cities, we put out 300 cities, make way then Kwana Menyato or Mepachotie. See Kabia crowd be from Pond Enterprise, Abenya BB at the Beffie. Our school phones will be or mobile call provisions and a boy for. Then you now be a toy from Pond Enterprise. Shannon so for mammy say, I will rap from Pond Enterprise. Be who be on a boy for. Now from Pond Enterprise at Dowintino, or maybe a shop on the floor at Chimodan New Market. A year or dance school quine so New Market one from Pond Enterprise. I may be a shop on a floor cry and so our Honomanza. And this I will call from Pond Enterprise New Market one man. Or also the Opebia, shall open drinks, open provisions, open cosmetics, open stationaries, open. In fact, the Opebiano call from Pond Enterprise and the chair quine or dance school quines New Market one man. Now from Pond Enterprise and also away from Pond Electrical Shop. Now Honomoton electrical cables, electrical bulbs, lamp holders, open ceiling fan, open wall fan. And then the regulator, you know, open multi sockets, open fridge guide. Ninabi, Ubenya away from Pond Enterprise, a Jumera from Pond Electrical Shop. And also a check wine, I watch Chimodan Liberty Lane, opposite Akona Story Building. Call us on 0244 897525 024711 236 from Pond Enterprise. A Jumera, or see what the Papa check. What the Papa check? Let me check on my TikTok feed and let me see. So I see Kwame Finest. I see you, David. Another Kwame. George Sam. Reggie Papa B. BOBL farm. I see Asempa Mame. Okay. My own baby girl, Akosia Yebua. Well, once again, with this thing, you people are sending invites until I don't know how they do it. So this is my first time actually on TikTok live. So you people should forgive me. My lovely Akosia Yebua. I love you all. Thank you so much for joining. I'm on my TikTok, that's why I'm in it. My first time. So come and see this thing for me. This thing that they are sending me invite. You know, should I do what? What should I do? I should press on the invite. So Nana Kwesi crying, join and also as a guest. So should I press on the invite? Nah, yeah, then Mimi has already. Mimi, okay. So Nana Kwesi, you be my guy. Make a press. It's my sending the This is another understand. Mentia say. Oh, okay. I see. So Mahmoud says, good afternoon, Kobena Kosti. Good afternoon, Thank you so much for joining my TikTok live for the very first time. I was over to me, share me. Aha, share me near. Anyway, see, go so ton there. Man, if I won't call ya, chim swed requine so. A chim swed requine so. Now, so we draw a chim swed requine as well. You call a penny junction opposite Handset Beauty Salon. Oho na be hu eye edroye ba center. Papa cho edroye solve problems via with pure herbs. Inumina papa ahwe enka ho. Enye bibia we ga say yi bibia free money on sade no. Ya wa herbs bi ho no ma obetima sa yare ahodo pi. Then so still na yare no gusu ehye one side. But say okọ edroye wokɔ edroye ba center didie kwan so obesa wo yare kama pa enti woni obi a malaria etete no obi a cocoa etete no and afei obi a sexual dysfunctions bema sabio onya de pem so a sese ya na wagye ni ade ade ba ko ya papa wati sika ya oba ho ade na afei wutimi nya adwuma mesrew pa ko edroye ba center na yemfa eduro nkan na bibia nkoso kama pa enfama afei oba bi so ho no ma wose matenka ko ni ku won nchen pa nenso won tehwe so eno so ko edroye ba center na won bo na won tu yare na se enfama won tu yare na se enfama now diabetes pressure ningi na won ko edroye ba center obetu a se pa tun twa kwan we ya chim so edro kwan tempon so apeni junction opposite handset beauty salon free one 0599419321 0599419321 edroye ba center na edroye ba center e pa cho wo se bra na won fa numina enkan na bibia ankoso kama pan for ma now Don Cool Ventures okay mama di kind message hey Charles at TikTok on so here the pan okay so Mahmoud says Mohammed watch you live from Medina Zongo Junction and also my own Ifia Gold also joined and then she sent in the wave emoji. Okay, is it Amagana 022 also joined and I see. All right, so Don Cool Ventures. Right, so Don Cool Ventures. Patrol me a wholesale and retail of club and goodies products, sales of soft and alcoholic beverages, and also one more air distributors for Casa Preco. Product to be say Alombo K20, Black Rock Tonic Wine, Dry Gin, and Alfay. Shadow so mommy say all products are sold at lowest wholesale prices. A chair can wire Chimodan Sunny Star Plaza, Pron Sanaswa, Jubilee Hospital, Abu Main Road, and I'll be home Don Cool Ventures. And it will be pap be and I eat tree and na say ope baby aton in San Juan dia Michelle Papa Joe baby I'll be ato no Don Cool Ventures insane bovo insane that for friend 0555486990 na 0556252668 Don Cool Ventures. Right, so 37 minutes after 11 and you still tune into 93.3 of Juma your friend ye Jenny me champion Kobena Boatin over to me our friend Kobena Kosti over to me our friend my brand the perfect gentleman. Right, so show produced by Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Kobike and DJ Shabo. If Yago says I have to go now, all the best. Okay, I see Edu Patricia has also joined. Philo okay, I see. The TikTok will be nice like that. Oh, and your final coming more ha. If you not come in what TikTok oh, na me name say I swear this and then me find my phone and me was oh, my me got TikTok live even na me share there. Oh, I see. Too Rich joining AJ330 joining was it a cousin and I hope somebody has also joined. Thank you so much. Ajua Kelly has also joined. Orlando God's Plan GH has also joined. And I show Uzi. Yeah, sure. Oh, thank you guys for joining the live feed. Go on TikTok and search for Kobena Kosti. And join the live feed. Lucy Nkrumah has joined. Eric Bode, Nyankra, and Happiness. I see you guys. I see you all. Alright, so let's enjoy some good Ghanaian music. High life music. We are still live, we're still on, we're here, 93.3 FM, your favorite Kobena Kosti. Good to know you guys are always in tune, and of course, we're still here. Alright, so DJ Kobe K is ready, he's ever ready to serve us with Ghanaian music, great Ghanaian high life music. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy good music.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What?
Be friend of my meal.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Now what do you? Biantabanga met to say I'm wrong no more. Met to my don't you?
Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
This is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it? Listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
Right, so of course we are still live here, 93.3 FM. I see a lot of guys, folks joining the live feed on TikTok. I see Candy Baby. I see Suku, Esther Ajaman, Official Tauto, and Asempa Mami Saintin. Some lovely emojis. see Aboom 21, Princess Pinky, and how is okay. Right, so we are still live on the radio, 93.3 of mid-morning. We have about just 10 minutes to leave the studios, and then pave way for the news at 12:10. But in the meantime, we are still here, we are live here. Sending your messages, and I'll be more than glad to give you a live mention on radio. Yes, I'll give you a live mention. Nana Fusua has also joined, and yeah, Obi Abe joining be a member live mention. But let me check some reactions on Facebook. King Abuzu says good morning. You are doing a great job, bro. Sintima Isaac says good morning, my man. Alright, so Zachary has also joined on TikTok. Radio, so you can also join on TikTok as well. Go and search for Kobena Kosti. Search for Kobena Kosti. Nana Yebua has joined. Stopper One has joined. Cash Out has joined. Rebecca O from Pong. Tetena. Busy free neko say on TikTok. You better call this say You better call this say our TikTok. This was you better call live for this Right, so I know you guys are ready. You guys are eager to listen to music, and we got you sorted. We give you authentic Ghanaian music, high life music, and of course, my man DJ Kobe K on standby and it's ready. We have about 8 minutes. Let's enjoy some Ghanaian music, some good Ghanaian high life music right here on 93.3 FM. In the meantime, your friend Kobena Kosti, in case you just tune in or in case you just joined us, my name is Kobena Kosti. I'm granted by the perfect gentleman. And let's run this, let's do this. Good morning and have a wonderful day.
The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
I can stand to lose you to someone else. Oh, girl, I want you back down. That's good. And I want you. Oh, that's good. Whatever went wrong, I will make it right. Oh, whatever went wrong,
listening to Kwabena Kosti. What?
Good engineering, we have decoration and good pharmaceutical. Net 3.3, and me yet dead. Net 3.3, and me yet dead. Net 3.3, and me yet dead.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so this is where time will permit us to draw down the curtain. And of course, we leave it and we go in. Once again, big shout outs to Akusu Ayebua. She says, I love the song. Sister Tilly also joined. And Nash Collections. Obi Nana also joined. Mwamu joining show no live on TikTok. I say thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. For being a part of this wonderful show. Alright, so sorry, I'm at the news team. I take you over the radio. Augustine Ofori, I join the show late. And tomorrow I'm joining live on TikTok. Tomorrow I'm joining live on Facebook. I said thank you so much. Man, who's at TikTok on the sweat day? You may be at I say. Sisi, I know when I be TikTok on this Kwame Dazi. Is it my uncle? It's my boss Kwame Dazi. Okay. Your friend here, Jenny, me champion Kwabena Boateng. Over to me, friend me Kwabena Kosti. Over to me, friend me Brant upon the perfect gentleman. Who me about to friend me, football to born you more try baby me jam crab with G20. If you are just on your
one door.
Right, one door. My crowd bibia. Nyami ad my best say share be. One will join in live on TikTok. Many are so pop. Macrobia. Bye bye.